Now we will explain how to find the problem related with plant load factor. How to find the plant load factor and plant use factor. Okay, for the given power station. Okay, as you know, here the power station has 260 megawatt unit. The power station has 260 megawatt unit, each running for 7,000 hours a year. 260 megawatt, okay, each running for 7,000 hours a year, and 130 megawatt unit running for 1,500 hours a year. Okay, the energy produced per year is 700 into 10 to the power 6 kilowatt hour. Calculate the volume. Okay, we have to calculate the plant load factor and plant use factor. So how to find plant load factor first? Okay. Now here you see total capacity of the power plant. How to find total capacity of the power plant? As we know, power station is 260 megawatt unit and is running for 7,000 hours per year. Similarly, 130 megawatt unit running for 1,500 hours a year. Okay. So total capacity of the power plant is how much? So 1 is 60 watt, 260 watt, 60 watt, 60 megawatt unit. So 60 plus 60, 260 megawatt. Another 30 megawatt. So 60 plus 60 plus 30. So total will be 150. 60, 60, 120 plus 30, 150 megawatt. Okay. 260 megawatt, another 30 megawatt, 130 megawatt. So total will be 120 megawatt. So 1 megawatt is 10 to the power 6 watt, or 1 megawatt is 10 to the power 3 kilowatt. So total capacity of the power plant will be, that is 150 10 to the power 3 kilowatt. Okay. Next is we have to find out the average load. To find out the load factor, we will get the average load. Average load how to find out? Average load becomes, that is total energy produced by time period. Okay, total energy produced given here. Energy produced per year is 700 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, energy produced per year is 700 into 10 to the power 6 kilowatt hour. So average load is total energy produced per year divided by time period. Okay, so total energy produced is given 700 into 10 to the power 6. So 700 into 10 to the power 6 divided by per year means 1 year is how much? 1 year is 365 days. 1 year is 365 days. Okay. So 365 days and 1 day is 24 hours. So 365 into 24, and that will become 8760 hours. Okay. So this is kilowatt hour and this is hour. Okay. Now we have kilowatt. Now we can find the load factor. How to find the load factor? Load factor is average load divided by maximum demand. Load factor is average load divided by maximum demand. Okay. Maximum demand means what? Maximum demand is that is the plant capacity. Okay. Now you see average load is how much? Average load we have already calculated average load, that is 700 into 10 to the 6 by 8760. Okay. And maximum demand is that is the total capacity of the power plant. Here assuming maximum demand is that is the total capacity of the power plant. Total capacity of the power plant, as for the given data we got this 150 into 10 to the power 3. So average load divided by maximum demand. Okay, we can find 0.53, or that is equals to 53%. So now we are going to load factor. Okay, this load factor means this is your plant load factor. Okay, this we can say plant load factor means this is your plant load factor, which is average load divided by maximum demand. Okay, next bit is we have to find out the plant use factor. How to find the plant use factor? Plant use factor is also known as inflation factor. Okay. Here you see. We know already actual energy generated is how much? Actual energy generated. The energy produced by here is 726 kilowatt hour. So that is your actual energy generated. But energy that will be generated by 260 megawatt unit and another 30 megawatt unit will become how much? Okay. So 260 megawatt unit 2 into 60 and that is running for 7,000 hours a year. So we multiply 7,000. 2 into 60 into 7,000. Okay. Next is another one unit is how much? 30 megawatt and running for 1500 hours a year. So 1 into 30 into 1500. So after calculating, we can find that is 885 kilowatt hour. Okay. Next is plant use factor. Okay, how to find the plant use factor? We have already known plant use factor is that is energy produced in a given period divided by capacity of the plant into actual hours of plant in operation. Here you see capacity of the plant is 260 megawatt unit and running for 7,000 hours a year. Okay, similarly 30 megawatt unit running for 1500 hours a year. So these are the denominator capacity of the plant into actual hours of plants in operation. Okay, finally you think that this will. So this is your capacity of the plant and actual hours of plant in operation. Okay. So plant use factor we can find that is energy produced in given period. Energy produced in given period is 726 divided by capacity of the plant and actual hours. Okay, actual hours plant in operation. So by dividing we can find that is your plant utilization. So we can find 0.79. After substituting we can find 0.79. So 0.79 means how much? That is 79%. Okay, clear? So in this year we can find that your plant load factor as well as plant use factor. Clear?